ahead of the 2023 Governorship and State Assembly elections, slated to hold on Saturday, 28th of March 2023 in 28 states of the Federation. The Nigeria Civil Society Situation Room is calling on INEC to ensure that the glitches encountered at the 2023 national elections did not reoccur. The Converner equally calls on security agents to ensure that the lives of voters on election day is protected.
Ahead of the elections, the security situation across the country appears tense, with reports of violence, kidnap and assassination in several states, including Lagos, Rivers, Imo, Abia, Enugu, Ebonyi, Enugu, and Kano. As such, Situation Room reminds the Nigerian police and other security agencies that they have primary responsibility to guarantee the safety and security of election officials, as well as other election stakeholders, including the voters, polling agents, election observers, the media, and service providers. Security agencies should take adequate measures to forestall the reoccurrence of the acts of voter suppression, disruption of voting, and outright violence experienced in some places during the presidential and national assembly elections.
NLB also calls on political parties to steer clear from activities that will lead to violence.
Circulation of smear campaigns and desperation have been intensified in this election, particularly on the social media. The Situation Room specifically calls on the political parties to conduct themselves in a peaceful manner, discourage violence from their supporters. Parties are reminded that there is a need to respect and abide by the peace accord signed by them. Situation Room will be tracking violent incidents across the states. Perpetrators and masterminders, will be called out for investigation.
Situation Room lament harsh conditions Nigerians are faced with, especially with the fuel and naira scarcity. Joseph Kadri, ITV News.